Now, back to Coastal Living on KZTV.
All right, everyone. The weather will eventually warm up, but spring break, if you can believe it, is already here. And drunk driving is a really big thing. Now, we're not encouraging anyone to drink and drive, but sometimes you have just one cocktail at dinner, or you plan on a good night out with your friends and you do plan on drinking excessively. Maybe you should go ahead and plan a safe ride home. We have Robert Heil here with Heil Law Firm to give us some pointers on how to manage those situations to make sure we're making the best decision for ourselves and our lives. Thank you for joining us.
Clarissa, thanks for having me, and congrats on the baby. So happy for you guys.
Thank you.
Many, many blessings.
Absolutely. Well, now that I have a daughter, it's more important than ever that I make smart choices for my family and I. But I did give up drinking for 9 months, and I'm ready to enjoy a cocktail now and then. So if I'm out for a girls' night on spring break and I have a glass or two of wine, I'm sure that I didn't drink over the legal limit.
Yes.
But I know that I have had some alcohol. Say I get pulled over, what do I do?
So you always want to be safe. Start out the right way to control.
Sure.
The legal limit in Texas is 0.08,
Yes.
so it's different for everybody. Different weights, different heights, and all that. But the guideline is about 2 drinks. So if you had more than 2 drinks, it's always smart to get a ride, have a designated driver, maybe an Uber that can make sure you get home. You don't want to push over that limit. That's where you can get in trouble, getting to jail and other things, and having to hire a lawyer to handle those situations.
Absolutely, especially when you have that one friend that's like, just one more shot before you go, as if that's like a good farewell to anybody when they're about to drive home. But like you said, the best and safest thing you can possibly do is just plan a safe ride home. Call an Uber. They're out there and they're not expensive. We're in Corpus. Everything is 10 minutes away, you guys. But some people are going to find themselves in a situation where it's like, you know what? I did have a few, but my house is right around the corner. I think I'm going to make it home. I'm going to drink and drive. What do those people need to be aware of, conscious of, if and when they get pulled over?
Always be, in my opinion, real respectful and polite and helpful to the police officer. You have rights to not incriminate yourself, so you don't have to give a breathalyzer. You could refuse that. Sometimes they'll have voluntary blood draw weekends, so you don't have a choice. But if you're in that position, then I would just suggest be cooperative with the officer, be helpful, but know your rights. And it's a detailed conversation, so it's worth calling a lawyer to get more info about that. But ultimately, you don't have to do certain things. You don't have to consent to certain things, and you don't have to say even that you had drinks. So protect your right to not incriminate, to not give evidence that could result in a conviction. And those things are important to know, and you need to talk to a lawyer and get more detailed about your facts and your specific scenario.
And also, like, easier said than done, but when you're intoxicated, you're not thinking clearly either, which is why you shouldn't be driving. But in the event that you want to refuse a breathalyzer, there are repercussions for that?
Absolutely. If you give consent, then it has an effect on your driver's license. If they find that you're above 0.08, then your license is going to get suspended.
Of course.
If you refuse, there's also a suspension provision. So it's important to know that if you're in that situation, if you deny it, then it might have an effect on where your license is, if it's valid, and for how long it gets suspended. So once again, always check with an attorney, talk with someone about your specific scenario, be safe, and that's the way to go.
Awesome. All right, well, all the more reason to call Heil Law Firm if you do find yourself in this situation. So how can we get in touch with you, either for advice or for some help if we get ourselves in the deep end?
Absolutely. So hopefully no one is in that spot, but if you are, feel free to give us a call. We're at 361-356-1277. You can reach us there. It's a dangerous time out there right now. A lot of people are not only getting DWIs, but they're getting into car wrecks. So if you're in an issue where you have a personal injury or a car wreck, give us a call. You can reach us at that number on the screen or at www.heillawfirm.com. We're at your service, battling for justice and winning for the community. So
amen to that. And good point on the accidents, too. That's a whole other box that we didn't get into. But you know what's out there. Be safe. Stay with us. We'll be right back on Coastal Living.